Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to make a temperature monitor for the Raspberry Pi single board computer. It could be for any Raspberry Pi single board computer. It could be for Raspberry 1 to Pi 1 to Raspberry Pi 4 for the Raspbian operating system. So found something interesting today. So this web page showed me how to make a temperature gauge on the Raspberry operating system. So in the first part of this, let's start the terminal. So Ctrl Alt T to start the terminal here, and you could type in this command vcg ncmd measure temp, and this will give you the temperature in Celsius. However, this only gives you the temperature one time. You have to keep typing this command to get it. So I'm getting another temperature reading, and this is rather monotonous to do this all the time. So this fellow made a clever program or script to have the computer read every like 1 second or something, so you don't have to keep typing this in. So I'm going to type this in, and this gives us the temperature also. Right, for my temperature is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And this simple script, I already made it, so I'm going to run it. Let's see. It's called, this is how you run it. Print temp.sh. Okay, this shows you that the temperature is 32 degrees Celsius. Instead of just showing it as 32, it gives you a text. So in this part right here, he uses a script to run the temperature, and then he also has this pop out. So the temperature is 32 degrees Celsius, and he created the file by typing that. So I'll show you how you can create a file, like how they did on this part right here. Just type in nano, print, I'll call it tempexample.sh, and it's copy everything that's on there. So that's temp, I think that's equal sign, dollar sign, UCG, MD measure, temp. I'll put all this in the video description so you can see it. I think it's O. That's 0 to 9. I think that's asterisk. Save it as Ctrl X. Yes. enter. And then we have to type in chmod. Print. And let's try to run it. Wonder why that was denied. That's weird. Just copy all this. Typing all that crap. Gonna go right there, so that's Ctrl. And I'm gonna go to Ctrl Y to go to the first line. Okay, now I should be able to run it. Print tempexample.sh. So now it's working. So it says the temperature is in 33 degrees Celsius, just like what this guy did. And this time he creates another script file. He puts all that in there. I'll put that in the video descriptions. And I did make that file. I know I did. Put it here. The first example is right there. Gonna open the file, and that's exactly the code that I put in there. I'll give it to you later. So, okay. Put all that in. He created the file again, and then he ran the file. So I'll run the file. So that's temp. chmod.sh. Okay. Just like how it came out in his example. My example is doing the same thing. The temperature is coming out every like 1 second. And to get out of it, you just press Ctrl C to exit. Break. And what this guy did was he copied this into his bin directory, which is right there. He just copied that into his bin directory. And I could do that too. I'll do that. Go CD. Let's see. I'm going to copy CP print temp example.sh to home to bin. I'm going to go to bin, cd bin. So I put that in there, it's right there as you can see, copied it. I'm going to go back, cd, so this is, so what he did here was he basically converted from Celsius to Fahrenheit, so that's the formula for it. You have to install this BC thing. Sudo is super user apt install BC. So you're installing BC. It's a float point program. You just type that into your command prompt and install. I already installed mine, so I'm not going to install it again. There it is. That's next code. That's the code for degrees Fahrenheit. I put that in there already. So I'm going to go find it. As you can see, the temperature is in degrees Fahrenheit. It's displaying right there. Just like that. Okay, anyways. I'll leave everything in the video descriptions. Thanks for watching by Ace 1000KS 1975.